Hello, and welcome to Explore the Galaxy with Michael Marks. This is Season 1, Episode 2, and we're going to take a look at a dynamic universe. We have added the support for showing dynamic price calendars on your eGalaxy web store. This is really exciting because now the sales calendar that you've already set up inside of your Galaxy point of sale can now translate to the web store and even display on the calendar. And here, let me demonstrate for you. When I select the date and time, it brings up a calendar with the prices that I've built accordingly inside of Galaxy. So I'll select the 19th, and you'll see that it's $25. That's the pricing I set for my weekday pricing. And I no longer have a range, so I can go ahead and take my $25 plus one and add it to the cart. Very straightforward, but very powerful. Think about this, setting your pricing to be a little bit lower on the days that have lower attendance. That's going to really help drive some revenue, as well as help with your guest flow. Now that we've seen what it looks like on the web store, I'll just briefly show you the configuration inside of Galaxy. Right away, I'm going to go into my Price Program Manager, which is located under Central Data Maintenance and Product Maintenance. You'll see that calendar translates to exactly what I just showed you. So it is very important to make sure that the colors you use here are nice colors that will work with your web store theme. So once you have your price program set up, we can take a look at the tickets and items. Now I'm going to use Season 1, Episode 2 as my user code. That is the PLU I've been using for this demonstration. And I'll head over to the Pricing tab and take notice of the price schedule. My weekday pricing and weekend pricing is right there. One little trick I'd like to note that you can add a disbursement to one of the price programs so that you can report a little bit better on it. So if you really rely on our chart of accounts for your reporting, we can go ahead and disperse the weekday pricing into a different chart of account for you, just to keep your reporting in line. So thank you so much for taking the time to explore the Galaxy with me. Again, I'm Michael Marks, and I will catch you on the Gateway community site. Take care.